I want to make another quick talk about this remarkable season of English Premier League football this evening. You all realize that with Liverpool on top of the tables with 82 points, with a maximum possible 15 points to gain, and Manchester City in second on 80 points and a possible maximum 18 points to gain in this two-horse race, you all realize that one of these two teams will amass 90-odd points and don't win the league. I don't think that has ever happened in any of the major leagues across the world. If these two teams win out the rest of them games, one will end up on 98 points and the other one will end up on 97 points. Imagine a team scoring almost 100 points and you can't win the league. Such is the standard set by these two lone contenders. Right now, Liverpool and Manchester City make the EPL table look like the old-time La Liga table. Two-horse race with the third place team 16 points behind. And look, not because Liverpool is my team. We have a world-class centre-half and a great goalkeeper. But otherwise, this crop of Liverpool players, they are not special. So to be on target for almost 100 points for the season, Jurgen Klopp is easily the biggest coach in England right now. And when you look at the run-in for both Liverpool and Man City, games at home and games away and points to be dropped, I have the final tally at Manchester City on 94 points and Liverpool on 95 points. Yeah, man, do the maths, yes. Never a smartphone with a calculator. Yes. 95 points to 94. We're going to drop some more points and then we're going to drop some more points and then we'll do the calculation again. 95 to 94.